Vanilla wafer banana pudding is a sweet, creamy, and delectable southern dessert. This recipe is made with instant vanilla pudding, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla wafers, prepared whipped cream, and sliced bananas. Instructions: 1. Peel and slice the bananas and toss them in a bowl with the lemon juice. Set aside. 2. Combine the cold milk and instant vanilla pudding mix and whisk or beat with an electric mixer for 2 minutes. 3. Add the sweetened condensed milk and mix until thoroughly blended. Let stand for 2 minutes. 4. With a spatula or spoon, fold half of the whipped topping into the pudding mixture. 5. In an 8-inch trifle dish, alternate layers of pudding, banana slices, and vanilla wafers. Spoon or pipe the remaining whipped topping over the pudding. Chill the pudding for at least 30 minutes before serving. 6. Garnish the dessert with freshly sliced banana if desired. For an extra special look, sprinkle the dessert with vanilla sugar or a cinnamon sugar blend. Ingredients: 3 firm, ripe bananas, 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2½ cups cold milk, 1 5-ounce, package, 6 serving size, instant vanilla pudding, 1 14-ounce, can sweetened condensed milk, 1 12-ounce, container whipped topping divided, 30 vanilla wafer cookies, vanilla sugar or cinnamon sugar for garnish, optional, 1 firm, ripe banana for topping if desired. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.